Alafia, peace, salam, my fam. This is your sister Alma Robin, and you are listening to You Ain't Imagining This. Welcome, Akwaba, to this Black Empowerment Storytelling Sanctuary, our sacred space where we rest, release, and remember. This is the final episode in our Black Summer Healing Session. For 7 weeks, we've walked together through stories, rituals, and reflections on laying down burdens, reclaiming joy, and choosing rest as resistance. Tonight, we pause for a comforting moment that I call simply and gently while I rest. It's a gentle invitation to slow down, reflect, and speak your rest aloud as sacred. So, I ask only 2 things. As usual, come exactly as you are, and take exactly what you need. Let's take a deep breath together before we begin. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Before we close this season, I want to leave you with 7 remembrances, one from each week of our healing session. Take 15 to 20 seconds after each one to breathe with it, to meditate on it, or to whisper it aloud. Week 1, the day we let the burdens fall. You don't have to carry everything alone. What you set down is still seen and still honored. Week 2, the Black Healing Room. There is a room inside you and around you where healing waits. You are always welcome there. Week 3, the circle we couldn't save. A circle must breathe as one, or it cannot breathe at all. When rhythm is restored, we heal together. Week 4, letting go is a form of self-love. Letting go is not failure. It's choosing life, choosing breath, choosing you. Week 5, laying down the armor. Your armor protected you. Thank it, bless it, and set it down when you are safe. Week 6, we were never meant to hustle like this. High effort coping kept us alive, but it cannot be our only way of living. Rest is also survival. Week 7, while I rest. Rest is not idleness. Rest is storing the strength you will need tomorrow. So those were our 7 weeks. Let's take another deep, slow breath. Feel your shoulders begin to soften. Place a hand on your heart and whisper to yourself, I am allowed to stop. I am allowed to be soft. I am allowed to be. Before we close, I want to leave you with a short story. Long ago, in a village by the river, there lived 2 brothers. One believed that life was only about hard work. He rose before the sun, tilled the fields without pause, and boasted that he never stopped moving. The other brother believed that work had its place, but so did rest. He took breaks beneath the shade tree. He laughed with children. He listened to the river's song. When a great drought came, the first brother had no strength left. His body was weary, and his spirit had no song to keep him going. But the second brother, who had rested, who had listened, who had laughed, still had strength in his bones and joy in his spirit. He shared water with the village and taught them, rest is not idleness. Rest is storing the strength you will need tomorrow. And from then on, the people in the village kept a sacred day of rest, not because they were weak, but because they were wise. So tonight, as you prepare to lay down your burdens, may you remember this truth. Rest is not just for you. Rest is a gift you pass down. Rest is an inheritance. Rest is freedom. As we close this summer healing session, I want to say thank you. Asante Sana for walking with me, for resting with me, for choosing healing in community. If this series has touched you, I invite you to like or share this episode with someone who needs it, because you never know whose spirit might be waiting for this reminder. And remember, you are not alone, and you ain't imagining this. Ashe, fam.